Hello children and welcome to your channel Sharda Educare, and this is the second video of word problem of exercise 2.6 which is beginning from third sum. Let's begin children. Very easily I will explain you how to solve those word problem and convert them into mathematical form. Let's start children. The third sum says, in the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 oranges. Total number of oranges in Madhusudan's garden are 150. Total number of oranges, let me write it here. Total oranges is equal to 150. The number of trees in each row, number of trees in each row is 5 more means plus, more than the row, than the trees in each column. Tree in each column. Okay. Did you understand children? See here. Number of trees in each row is 5 more than trees in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of the flow chart. See children, I have not written here flow chart. First we have to understand the question, then flow chart you can do it from your textbook which is already there. Let us solve this question. Fine. See here I have written something like this which was in English, I have converted into mathematical form. So what we should assume? Let us assume that the number of trees in each column be x. See, this is number of trees in each row and this is number of trees in each column. But number of trees in each column is plus 5 here. So we should not take number of trees in each row as x. Let us take number of trees in each column as x, because along with number of trees in each column there is one number plus 5. So let us assume this. Let number of trees in each column be x. So if number of trees in each column is x plus this is 5. So number of tree in each row will be x plus 5. Clear? These are the number of trees in each rows and these are the number of trees in each column. What are the number of trees in each column? X, and we know the total number of trees, that is 150. So if we know total number of tree and we know the number of trees in each column and the number of rows, what can we do? We can multiply. Yes. So we can do multiplication of number of trees in each row into number of trees in each column. Number of trees in each column is x into number of trees in each row, that is x plus 5, and that is equal to 150. Now x will multiply with x, x will also multiply with 5. Okay. So what will we get? We will get x square plus 5x is my 150 will shift here minus 150, which is equal to 0. Now 150 can be bifurcated to get the middle term 5x. 150 is minus, so will be 15 into 10 will give you 150, but we want minus and here it is plus, so 10 should be minus. So 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. So we will be using 10 and 15 in the middle to expand 5x. So here we will be getting x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Children see, 5x is expanded in form of 15 minus 10. When we multiply these two terms, we get 150, and when we subtract, we get 5x. Okay. Now, we will be selecting the common term. Here x square is there, x will be out. What should be written to get x square? X plus 5x, 15x is there, x is out. So, we will be left is 15 minus 10 x. Minus into minus will be plus. 10 into 15 will give you 150, 10 into 15 will give you 150, which is equal to 0. Now, x plus 15 is 2 times, therefore, we will be writing it only 1 time, and what will we get? We will get x plus 15 bracket close, and this is x minus 10, x minus 10, which is equal to 0. Now, we can write x plus 15 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. 15 will go here, minus 10 will go here, x is equal to minus 15. Now, minus 15 is there, so x is equal to minus 15 will be rejected, because trees cannot be in negative, number of trees cannot be in negative number. So, it will be rejected. You will have to write down, children. This is rejected because it is negative, clear? And x minus 10 will go there, and therefore, it will be x is equal to plus 10. So, number of trees, x what we have assumed? Number of trees in each column. Therefore, number of trees in each column is 10. So, what will be number of trees in each row? Number of trees in each row will be, number of trees in each row is x plus 5. X is how much? 10. 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. So, you can pause the video and you can solve the sum, children. Let us move for the next question. The fourth sum says Vivek is, okay. So, Vivek is means equal to, older means plus, than Kishore, older than Kishore by how many years? 5 years. Vivek is older plus, if younger would be there, then I would have written minus. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years, and some of their reciprocals of, okay, let us now assume, fine. Once we write one condition, we should assume. I said in the previous question also, Vivek you are not going to assume, you are going to assume Kishore, because Kishore is with some number. There is, when I wrote the condition, I got Kishore with something, therefore I will assume Kishore, okay. So, what I will write? Let Kishore's age be x. Okay. So, what will be Vivek's age? Therefore, Vivek's age will be x plus 5. So, we got Kishore's age as well as Vivek's age. Now, what is written further? The sum. Sum means plus sum of reciprocals of their ages. So, what is the reciprocal of Kishore's age? Reciprocal. Reciprocal means upon, children. Whatever the age is upon. So, reciprocal of Kishore's age is 1 upon x, and reciprocal of Vivek's age is 1 upon x plus 5. What is given? Sum of their sum of the reciprocals of their age. So, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is how much? Is 1 upon 6. See, sum of reciprocals of their ages is equal, means is, children, is how much? 1 upon 6. Now you got the condition and you can solve this one very easily now. See, this number is what? Cross multiplied, and in the middle plus is there, plus or minus if it is there, they will also, denominators also will be multiplied. So what we will get? X plus 5 into 1 is x plus 5 plus x upon what? X square plus 5x, because x will get multiplied with x square, x will get multiplied with 5 is 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Now see, x and x will be added, so it is 2x plus 5 upon what? X square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Now this will get multiplied here and this will go here, but they both will not multiply because in the middle equal is there. So what will we get? 6 outside the bracket, and inside x square plus inside 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 5x multiplied with 1 will be x square plus 5x. Now see, 6 will multiply with 2x, 6 will also multiply with 5, and what we will get? 6 2s are 12x plus 30, 6 5s are 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now what do we get? X square plus 5x, I am going to shift every number this side, minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x square plus 5x and minus 5x minus 12 minus 5 will be minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we will be bifurcating the third term. We have minus 30, bifurcate it to get the middle term. Their product, get two numbers, if you multiply them you should get the third term, and if you add and subtract you get the middle term. So 30, 10 into 3, and I want here minus, so minus 10 into 3 will give me minus 30, and also minus 10 plus 3 will give me minus 7 children. Okay, I can't take, see, minus 10 into minus 3 will also give me minus 30, 10 into minus 3 will also give me minus 30, but I will not get minus 7. To get minus 7 I should have minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. So I will be using these two numbers in the middle. What will be my number now? X square minus 10x plus 3x, 7 is bifurcated into 10 and 3, and minus 30 is equal to 0. Now the first two number and the other two number, x into x, x into x will be x square minus, x is out, so 10 will be left inside, plus 3 x minus 10, because 3 10s are 30 is equal to 0. Now you know children, we have x minus 10 2 times, so we will take one time, x minus 10 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 is equal to 0. We will get x minus 10 equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 will go there, x will be equal to minus 3, and this will be rejected children. X is equal to minus 3 will be rejected, and why it is rejected? Because it is negative number. Therefore, I am unboxing it with red, so you remember it, okay? And it is negative, therefore reject it. So here 10 will shift here, x is equal to 10. So what we have assumed x as? Kishore's age as x. So Kishore's age is 10 year and Vivek's age is 15 year, because Vivek is 5 years. Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. So it will be 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15 years. You can copy the sum, children, and you can pause the video and you can solve the sum, children. Fifth question, children. See, Suyash scored 10 marks more in second unit test than in the first. See, children, than that in the first. 10 marks more, 10 marks more than in the first unit test. So here it is first unit test. Yes, then that in the first unit test. Okay. So Suyash scored in second unit test 10 marks more than in the first unit test. Yes or no? See, Suyash scored 10 marks more in second unit test than in the first unit test. So let us assume in the first unit test as x marks, let us assume, let marks scored in first unit test is equal to x. So what will be the marks in second unit test? Therefore, marks scored in second unit test is equal to first unit test is x plus 10. Now see the condition. 5 times the score of the second unit test is means equal square of score of first unit test. So 5 times score of second unit test is what? X plus 10, and score of first unit test x square. So 5 will multiply everything inside. 5x plus 50 is equal to x square. Let us shift everything that side. X square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Now minus 50 will be bifurcated and you will be getting the middle term. I think 10 5s. 10 5s will give you 50, but I want minus 50 and I want here minus. So minus 10 into 5 will give me minus 50, and minus 10 plus 5 will give me minus 5. So I can write here x square minus 10x minus plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Marks in first unit test. X is 10 na? So 10, and in second unit test the marks will be x plus 10 na? And how much is the value of x? 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. So you can pause the video, children, and you can solve the sum. Let us move for the next question, children. Sixth question, children, from your exercise. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis, certain number which we don't know. he is making certain number of pots, we can assume it as X per day on daily basis. Production of each pot is rupees 40. So let us assume that let Mr. Qasim makes X number of pots, make X number of pots each day. Okay, per day. Now, production cost of each pot is rupees 40. So, cost of one pot, each pot, or cost of one pot, okay, cost of one pot, production cost of each pot is 40 more 10 times, see, 40 more than the 10 times total number of pots, 10 times total number of pots. Okay. Cost of one pot is equal to, he makes, see what is given, production cost of each pot, each means one pot. We can write here each also, no problem. Let us write each. Production cost of each pot is, equal means is 40 more than total 10 times the total number of pots. Clear? So what we have assumed, let X number of the pots he prepared each day, means total number of pots are X. So cost of one pot will be, cost of each pot 10 into X plus 40. This is the cost of one pot, 10x plus 40, and according to condition, $600 is the cost of total number of pots he prepares in one day. So number of pots in one day into cost of one pot is equal to 600. Number of pots in one day is X and cost of one pot is 10x plus 40, which is equal to 600. Now see children, X will multiply with everything inside. Yes, we will get 10x square plus 40x minus 600. 600 will move this side and it will become minus, and this entire equation can be divided by 10 children, and we will be getting, see, upon 10 upon 10. So it becomes easy for us to calculate. And what will be the final? 10 and 10 get cancelled. 10 4s are 0, 60 will come. Okay. So your equation will be x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Your last term is minus 60. So bifurcate minus 60 children. 10 6s are 60, but I want minus and here I want plus. So minus 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So I can take this 10 and 6. So we will get x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Select common terms. x into x plus 10 minus 6x, 6 into x, 6x plus minus into minus plus 10 is equal to 0 because 6 tens are 60. So, x plus 10 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, we can write here x plus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 6 is equal to 0, 10 will move here, x is equal to minus 10, which is rejected because it is negative, rejected since it is negative number. Okay. So, what will be x value? So, x is equal to minus 6 will become plus 6. So, what we have assumed here? Let Mr. Kasam makes 6 number of pot in one day. Okay. So, in one day he is making 6 pot. And what is the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he make? Number of pots he make is 6. What is the production cost of one pot? 10x plus 40, na? One pot will cost him 10x plus 40. 10 into x is 60, na? 10 into 6, that is 60 plus 40, which is equal to 100 rupees. So, one pot is costing 100 rupees for making. So, children, you can pause the video and you can solve the sum. This complete the second video on word problem of quadratic equation. So, we will be moving for the other video. We will be moving to solve other sums in the next video, children. Like my videos, share my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you, children, for watching.